All right. Hey guys.
Hey.
How are you? There's Jeremy from A&M Plumbing and Adam Willard with Ashley's Building in the house.
In the tub.
In the tub. So what we have here is another bathroom. I wouldn't call it a remodel. It's more of a the homeowner, sweet trusting homeowner, hired another contractor to remodel this little bathroom. So cute. Anyways, she noticed some things were kind of off and called us to take a look, and the shower area has to be totally taken apart and redone, and that's what Mr. Willard and Jeremy are doing right now. And the reason why I'm filming is because there's some things in this little area here that have been done correctly, and I want to...
Done incorrectly.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Nothing in this thing right.
Okay. Done incorrectly, and the reason why I'm filming is because I feel like this is a good educational moment, because some people don't realize the work that goes into rebuilding a shower or a tub surrounding the things that good contractors will do to make sure that this project, lasts for a long, long time. So there's a couple of things that we're going to talk about, and Mr. Willard here in his Columbia shirt is going to tell us about. So tell us about it, Mr. Willard.
Well, first off, take a look-see. That's how thick the caulking was around the marble that they ran around the tub. It's
so this was
solid ½ inch.
This was cultured marble that somebody
Right.
installed over.
They just went over regular drywall. We don't do that. We put in a cement board behind all of our
That's paper.
tile.
Say that again. We put cement board.
We put cement board in.
Yeah.
And then we red guard it. It makes it all waterproof. And another disturbing thing is they... so this is an exterior wall. And they cut out a load-bearing stud to put in a soap shelf. That's a major no-no. You just don't cut load-bearing studs when you want to. Mm-hmm. You know, the proper way to do it would be to put a header in right here, and then that would open this area up so you could put that in. Mm-hmm. It's kind of like where a window's at. You know, that's load-bearing, so above that window there's a header. But today we're going to get all this rock off. We're going to prep the walls. We're going to put a new tub, replumb the valve. They used shark bites and just quick clamps, and that's we don't do stuff like that. So check everything, make sure it's built right the first time.
Well, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate this educational moment, and I must say I like that shirt.
Oh, thank you. I do too.
The buttons are good.
Buttons are good. A little high, but it'll work.
All right. Well, thank you, Mr. Willard. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.